So today we're going to be putting on these wheel bands that we got from Abstract Ocean, and I haven't had a scuff on my rims yet, but apparently that's a big problem with these Teslas, is that the rim kind of protrudes from the tire a little bit, so any kind of curb rash is pretty common, and we want to avoid that. So we're going to go ahead and put on these wheel bands. The track is black, and then obviously, as you can see here, I like the red. I got the red theme going on. So we got some red wheel bands, and that's going to be what it looks like kind of there. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and put these on. They go directly on the rim. So the first thing we're going to want to do is just kind of remove any kind of chemical product that's on the rims themselves. And you know, I've got a ceramic coating on these rims, so the best that I'm going to do is ISO wash it with some isopropyl and water, a mixture. We're going to ISO wash it. I've already got that here. I got a little bit in there. It should be plenty for this job. If not, I'll just make some more real quick. But yeah, I'm going to ISO wash it and then finish it off with these provided alcohol wipes. So hopefully that's enough to get it done. We're just going to I'm going to try to get as close to the edge as possible. So as you can see, these tracks are about 1/4 of an inch wide. They're going to go just right on the edge of the rim here. So I'm going to try to keep the ISO wash just on that edge. And in the instructions it does say just to use paper towels. Normally I'd use like a microfiber or something like that, but I try to follow the instructions. Alright, well, that's it for a minute. We're supposed to dry it off too before going to apply the 3M. Just give it a little wipe down. Kind of hurts my feelings a little bit putting that isopropyl on these rims after ceramic coating them. But live and learn, I guess. Alright, so what we did ahead of time, I already cut just a little sample piece just to test it out to see if it's going to stick here, or we need to add more, if we need to clean the wheels more thoroughly. So I'm just going to test piece this, stick it on there, see if this does the job. So that's all it is there, just this 1/4 inch track around the edge of the rim. And I'm going to get it a little bit more flush. This piece is a little bit low. This is just test pieces coming off anyway, but it seems to be sticking on there pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and continue on. I'm going to take this off and then add on the rest of this track. Because of the way they pack it, you know, it's sent in the package in this round shape. It does just kind of automatically conform to the roundness, to the shape of the rim, which, you know, makes things a bit easier here. Just a matter of getting it right along the edge, right where you want it. And I'm just kind of using my thumb and finger to feel that it's flush with the edge of the rim. Boom. Just cut this. I'm just using scissors here. I'm sure there's a better way to do it, but it doesn't have to be exactly perfect because the red bead is going to cover this up. So as long as it's just about right, shouldn't be an issue. There you go. You notice I keep on pressing here. There was a little bit of a flat edge here. You can probably see it. So I'm just trying to round it out. But something to keep in mind when you're connecting the two ends of the track, make sure this has got that nice arch to it. Otherwise you have to keep on pressing up like I'm doing here. All right, so there's one. I'm gonna do the rest real quick. Don't need to show you guys, but I'll show you 04 after. And this is okay to drive on right now. It's okay to get wet. It's okay to do all that stuff. It just. Hey, bud. How's it going?
Awesome.
Yeah. Just doing a video on the rims.
Are you gonna cut that?
Yeah, I already cut that one and put. Don't you see the difference? You see the red border? You see the red border around the rim?
Why do you cut it?
You have to cut it because they give you one solid piece.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's kind of bad.
No, that's fine.
Where did you cut it?
Cut it. You see it? If you look up close, you can see it. And this is a note for you guys. I'm just learning this stuff. So I cut the red bead right here. I had cut the black track up here. I think what I'm going to do is take out the bead and line up the cuts on top of each other, just so there's not two different points that you can tell where there's a cut being made. So that's what I'm going to do real quick.
Please don't do that.
All right, so here we are about 30 minutes later, maybe 30, maybe 45 tops. Didn't take long at all. After the first wheel, the rest got easier and I got more efficient with it. So a super easy install. I was a little bit intimidated, honestly, at first on how complicated it would be, but it's not complicated at all. Super quick, super easy. I think it looks phenomenal. I will say that they are on the expensive side. You can find them cheaper, but at Abstract Ocean they're like $100 or so, and other similar sites like RPM and other places like that, it's around the same price. If you look on Amazon, you might be able to find sets for like $30, something in that ballpark, but I don't know. I can't speak on the quality. From Abstract Ocean, I know the quality is going to be good. Everything they do is top notch. Quick, easy install. The instructions are in the box. This is the spare material I have, so you don't have to worry about cutting it exact every time. There's enough for probably another wheel, honestly. So keep that just in case, whatever reason, one of these gets damaged or something. But that was it, guys. About 45 minutes total. Just make sure you prep them good. You know, clean your rim area, and you'll be good to go. Like I said, you can drive on these now. Just the recommendation is 3 days, I think, without washing them. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Y'all stay safe, take care, and until next time, I'll talk to you guys later.